What's up? It's Basement Built. I'm back at it with another video. Today, 70 millimeter throttle body came in. Remember, eBay, best bang for its buck. So we're gonna test everything when I'm done. So let me take this out of the package real quick. Let's set this camera down so you guys can see me take it out. Poorly packaged. Didn't even come in a box, and it was thrown in a vanilla envelope. Got it purple. I got a theme going on. Black, purple, and there will be some other colors in there. My daughter loves purple, so I'm gonna let her put stuff on my vehicle. She's gonna help me install it. Other than that, $68 shipped. There is some hardware I see in the bag to hold the TPS. I got an OEM TPS sitting around off of old throttle body, a couple Allen heads. Let's check it out. I see a little damage up in the corner. I don't know if this camera would catch it, but it's kind of bent right there, and right there. Shoot. $68 shipped. It's got an idle air screw somewhere in here. What is it? Right there. Check it out. Idle air screw. Weird, but hey, I guess it's gonna work. I ain't too worried about it. It's just eBay. If it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. I ain't really stressing out about it. Like I said in my other videos, it's cheap. The ultimate eBay build, and I pieced this whole kit together from the last experiences of my experience with other parts that I've bought that were name brand, like Skunk Tool, Blackworks, Precision, Tile, etc. IDs, blah blah blah. So I'm gonna put eBay's parts to the test to name brand, I guess. Cause